Hello creative minds, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial, and in this video we are going to diving into a captivating world of typography manipulation in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. And before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Let's subscribe. So here is our picture, and we're going to create a mask of this picture. So let's select the selection tool from tool panel and just select the object selection tool and make a selection of this model and click on the layer mask. And here you can see some here is missing, so don't worry about this. Just double click on the layer mask and select the refine tool and paint over the missing area. Yeah, now hit OK. Now create a new tab and drag this picture on the new tab and transform this. So click Ctrl T and hold the shift and make it smaller. And drag it into the center. And now we need a letter. So select the text tool from the tool panel and just select a letter, whatever you want. I will type here S, make it center, and now press Ctrl T because I want to make it bigger. Yeah, it's okay. And now we have to delete this layer mask. We don't need this, so just delete and apply. And now drag this letter behind the picture. And now we have to I think this is not looking so good, so I need to I think I need to make it horizontal. So select the layer and click Ctrl T and make it horizontal. Now it's look better. Let me see this. Now select the letter and hold the Ctrl key and click on the layer. And now select the picture and create a layer mask. So don't worry about the face. Just select the brush tool and make sure the foreground color is white. And also make sure the layer mask is selected. And now just paint over the face here. And also the hand, it will be looking so good. And don't worry about the unwanted areas, we can remove it. So just slowly. Make it slowly. And also the hand areas, make it smaller and make it smoothly. Select the text tool and create a text layer and make it smaller. Now change the font into Montserrat. Now I'm going to type here make it capital. Unlock your creativity. Yeah, drag it into the center. Yes. Now select the text and make it medium. And increase the letter space. Make it 500. Yeah, it's look good. Drag it into the center, and I think everything is good, but something is missing. So let's play with shadow. So select the letter and double click on it, and let's open the layer style and just click on drop shadow. Yes, here is the magic. So hit OK, and you can see it's a great typography manipulation. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. And thank you for watching this video.